All right, I got these All-Star Game, was it Mega Box, I guess you'd call them. And so there's a lot of stuff on there. And I guess, I mean, they definitely look different from Series 1 or Series 2 in design. I'm not too sure about the pictures of, what they use. But, well, I got these at Target, found a couple. Yeah, let's see here. And there's that. And let's see here. You get 4 packs. I have seen some people pull out numbered stuff, signatures. Okay, let's see here. So there's Adley Rutschman. Like I say, it's got All-Star. Junior Caminero. Seiza Suzuki. Kyle Schwarber. He had like the All-Star Game home run win-off, I guess you could say. Francisco Lindor, Jordan Alvarez, PCA, Pedro Armstrong, Kobe Mayo, Ron King Jr., Sandy Alcantara, Paul Schemes, that's a good one, Jacob deGrom, C.J. Abrams, and then he should be the Hometown Heroes, which is Tom Glavine. That's, so they're going to be all like Atlanta Braves. Ken Griffey Jr., Classic Swings. It's a cool one to have. The Hometown Heroes, Rafael Furcal. And let's see here, Classic Swings, that's going to be Evan Longoria. All-time great, All-Star Greats. And then we got Mike Piazza, another all-time great. And then this should be a numbered card, I think, maybe. Randy Arozarena. Yeah, so there's like a little thing there. So let's see here. That's cool. It's like they got like a numbered card. I'm gonna kind of get some of these like sleeved up. Especially the Arozarena. That was Shane Bieber. Okay, so they just put like the last name on there. They're about like 49, I think. Kyle Tucker, Jackson Jobe, Sasaki, Zach Wheeler, Coros Correa, Justin Verlander, Drew Romo, Class A, Matt Olson, Adrian Del Castillo, Hanhu Lee, Troy Seager, Shota Imanaga, Shota. And the Hometown Heroes, Spencer Strider. Let's see what we got there. That's Shohei Ohtani. Drake Baldwin, Hometown Heroes. How about Pujols there? All-Star Greats, there's a Griffey Jr. There's Ohtani. Cam Smith, so that's probably not numbered. Might be a foil. There's that. Yeah, let's see here. So there's Bo Bichette, Caden Dana, Chase Dollander, Christopher Morel, Freddie Freeman, Tarek Skubal, who started the game, Noju Noel, Jackson Holiday, Zach Neto, Probably should have been All-Star. And the Arena. Here's James Wood. Ozzie Albies. Awesome Ken, the younger one that's on the Dodgers. And let's see here. So we got Andrew Jones, Hometown Heroes. The Darryl Strawberry. These are kind of like foil. Chipper Jones. Let's see here. Rafael Palmeiro. And it's what, Pedro Martinez. And yeah, that's gonna be Soto there. Paul Skeens. Okay. You know, I mean, that's the best thing about this All-Star game. They had them in their own like, uniform jerseys instead of these other jerseys. Yeah, let's see. So it's Kristen Campbell. You got sent down. Clayton Kershaw, there's a Hall of Famer. Justin Henry Malloy. Brett Lauder. Rafael Devers. Not with the Giants, but that'll probably update. Jacob Wilson, the Rookie of the Year for American League. Gotta be. Shaylick Wickham. Mason Wynn. Trey Turner. Jackson Churio. Spencer Schwellenbach. Dansby Swanson. We got Ryan Bliss. And let's see here. Hometown Heroes. Tim Hudson. You got their classic swings of Manny Ramirez. Hometown Heroes of Dale Murphy. Bartolo Colon with a bat. And all-time greats, there's probably Julio Franco. You can see the backside. And let's see, Fred McGriff. And there's Bryce Harper. So it's not too bad. That's the first box. Yeah, we'll go for the second box. Stay there. That. Okay. So box number 2. Let's see if anything we get out here's. There's a Drew Romo. That's Kim. Class A medal. So I believe there's 100 cards in this set. A little bit of shit. So we're just getting like all like repeats. Freddie Freeman, Terry Skubal, and then we got their hometown heroes. Eddie Matthews. He played like 60s, maybe mid 70s, early 70s. Tony Gwynn. Hometown heroes is Ozzie Albies. Gary Sheffield. And there's Hank Aaron. Reggie Jackson. Corbin Burns, who's now injured. Out for the year. And Joe Kelsey Noel, Jackson Holiday. So this is all pretty much all Kristen Campbell, Clayton Kershaw. Yeah, it's pretty much all repeats, duplicates. We got Wilson. Yeah, let's see here. David Justice. Mark Grace, Cubby. Yeah. Kristen Waldrop. You got there Jeff Bagwell. And that's going to be Alec Manoa. Gary Carter is an Expo. He played with the Mets, but his first team was the Expos. And Willie Adames. Okay, so Shane Whitcomb. Oh yeah, just put Trey Turner there. Spencer Schwalbach. Wyatt Langford. Okay, I think that's a new one. Willie Adames, Corbin Burns, Aaron Judge, Michael McGreevy, Mike Trout. Yeah, let's see here. Oh, yeah, it looks like we're going to get like a numbered card. So let's see. Phil Necro, a knuckleballer that pitched for them. And Chase Utley. Let's see here. And that train. Let's see here. Okay, nobody saw that one. I didn't see it. Michael Harris, the third. And there's Ichiro, Classic Swings. Dave Parker. Sadly, he had like a, I forget what disease it was, like MS or something. Just passed away right before getting inducted in the hall. It'd be like Andrew Jones. Let's see here. So we got Cincinnati Red. Ellie Dela Cruz, and that's going to be number 2. 150. We get a blue. Let's see here. Get that one all. Okay, so that's, you get like a numbered card out of a bleached box. That's always good to know. But you can, get, or how long it, how many boxes you need. Let's see here. Hunter Green, there's Riley Green, Christian Yelich, okay, Adam McCutcheon, Dylan Cruz, Tatis Jr., Matt Shaw, so he was a short print in the Series 2. Calvin Alcantara, Iwamoto, Altuve, Daniel Amador, Chris Hale, Corbin Carroll. Let's see here. So Sean Murphy, the Hometown Heroes. Don Mattingly in the classic Hometown Heroes of Joe Torre. He played for the Braves, managed the Braves, I know he played for the Cardinals too, managed the Mets, I believe, and managed the Yankees. So he's George Brett there, that's nice. And then we've got Grace of Cecil, or Prince Fielder. And then Joe Torre, an all-time greats, and then Wyatt Langford. So there you have it. So that's about what you're going to get. Anyhow, have a great rest of the weekend.